The first term of exercise 10.5 is, in the figure we have a figure, it is a circle with center or radius r. A, B, C are 3 points. First point A, B, C. These 3 points are on circle, right? Such that angle BOC is 30 degree. Angle BOC, this angle is 30 degree, and angle AOB is 60 degree. Angle AOB is 60 degree. If D is a point on the circle, ABC के अलावा एक D point भी है सर्कल पे, which is this point. This D point is on circle other than ABC. ये ABC से अलग है कोई D point which is on circle. Now we have to find angle ADC. Angle ADC. This angle we have to find. Come to this solution. Right. We have given that angle BOC is equal to 30 degree and angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. If we add both, we get angle BOC plus angle AOB, which is 30 plus 60. If you add 30 and 60, you will get 90 degree. Now you can see angle BOC plus AOB is 90 degree. If we erase this OB radius, we get the angle AOC. The sum of both angle is angle AOC. So angle AOC is 90 degree. 60 plus 30, this is 90 degree. Now remove B. You can see angle O. This is the angle at the center by arc AC, and angle D, which is angle ADB, by the same arc at the remaining part of the circle. So angle ADB is half of angle AOC, or you can say angle AOC is double of angle ADB by theorem 10.8. So here we write angle ADB is equal to twice of angle ADB is equal to angle AOC. This is ADC. Twice of angle ADC is equal to angle AOC. यहाँ पे देख लीजिए फिगर में, जो O एंगल होगा वो C का ट्वाइस होगा. इसके लिए रीजन दे देंगे. Angle at center by an arc is twice the angle at remaining part of the circle. Right? Now put the value of AOC. Twice of angle ADC is equal to AOC is 90 degree and angle ADC is equal to 90 upon 2. 2 इधर मल्टीप्लाई है, दूसरी तरफ जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. So angle ADC is equal to 45 degree, which we have to find angle ADC. So angle ADC is 45 degree, and this is our answer. The second sum of exercise 10.5 is a chord of circle is equal to the radius of the circle. किसी सर्कल की एक chord उसकी रेडियस के इक्वल है. Find the angle subtended by the chord at the point on the minor arc and also at the point major arc. में दिया गया है कि हमारे पास एक सर्कल है और सर्कल में एक chord, let this chord is AB. AB chord. ये जो AB chord है सर्कल के रेडियस के इक्वल है, which is equal to OA. AB chord OA के इक्वल है. Chord is equal to radius. Then we have to find the angle in minor arc, angle मेजर आर्क, राइट. सो माइनर आर्क में सपोज ये आपका पॉइंट है C, तो हमें ये C एंगल बताना है, एंगल AC भी हमें फाइंड आउट करना है, और मेजर आर्क में let this is D, so we have to find angle D, right? What we have to find? We have to find angle ACB and angle ADB. Now come to the solution. We know that what AB is equal to B, AB is equal to OA is equal to OB. If we join O to B, then we get AB is equal to OA is equal to OB. This is given in the question. The chord is equal to radius of the circle, right? OA is a radius, OB is a radius, and AB is the chord, and chord is equal to the radius. It is given in the question. So AB is equal to OA is equal to OB. Here we can conclude OAB is an equilateral triangle. So we can write triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. In the previous chapter we have studied that every angle of equilateral triangle is 60 डिग्री. इक्विलेटरल एंगल के सारे इंटीरियर एंगल 60-60 के होते हैं. सो एंगल O कितना का हो गया, इस हिसाब से एंगल हो गया 60 डिग्री का. सो एंगल AOB इज इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री. एंगल AOB इज 60 डिग्री, राइट. In this figure you can see angle O is at center, angle D is in the remaining part of the circle. So angle O is twice of angle D, right? Now angle AOB is twice of angle ADB. Why? Angle subtended by an arc at the center is twice the angle subtended by the same arc at the remaining part of the circle. किसी आर्क से सेंटर पर बनने वाला एंगल रिमेनिंग पार्ट में बनने वाले एंगल का 2 टाइम्स होता है, राइट. यू विल राइट द रीजन. एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय एन आर्क एट सेंटर is twice the angle subtended by same arc at remaining part of the circle. This is theorem number 10.8, remaining part of the circle. So angle AOB is 60 degree and this is twice of angle ADB. 2 मल्टीप्लाई है, इधर आके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. So this is 60/2 is equal to angle ADB. We can say angle ADB is equal to 60/2 means 30 degree. हमें ये एंगल निकालना था, हमें ये एंगल मिल गया है. So this angle is ADB and we get this is 30 degree. This is our first answer. Now see in the figure, here is our point C. Join AC and TB and erase all this. In this figure you can see ACBD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ACBD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral, right? And we know that the sum of opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. So angle D plus angle C is 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B is also 180 degree. Angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degree and angle D we have 30 degree. So angle C प्लस 30 इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री, एंगल C इज इक्वल टू 180, 30 इधर प्लस का है तो दूसरी तरफ जाएगा, माइनस का हो जाएगा आफ्टर ट्रांसपोजिंग, सो दिस इज 150 डिग्री, एंगल C इज 150 डिग्री. नाउ कंप्लीट द फिगर, angle O and this is AB. The third sum of exercise 10.5 is, in the figure angle PQR is 100 degree, angle PQR, this is angle Q, this PQR is 100 degree where PQR are the point on the circle with center O. जहां पे PQR सर्कल के ऊपर 3 पॉइंट है और उस सर्कल का सेंटर है O, then we have to find angle OPR. Where is OPR? We have to find this angle, right? We have to find angle OPR. Okay, come to this solution. Can you tell me the measurement of this angle? Angle POR. What is the angle POR? Angle PQR is 100 degree. So what about angle POR? I will erase this. Now you can see. This is an arc PR, major arc PR, right? Major arc PR, major arc PR से remaining part पे बना हुआ एंगल और उससे सेंटर पे बना हुआ एंगल. Can you tell me the value of this O, the angle O, measurement of angle O? सेंटर का एंगल हमें निकालना है, रिमेनिंग पार्ट का एंगल हमारे पास है. सो दिस इज द ट्वाइस ऑफ Q. एंगल POR is twice of angle PQR. Why? Just because of theorem 10.8. In theorem 10.8 we have studied angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle is twice the angle subtended by the same arc in the remaining part of the circle. सेंटर पर बनने वाला एंगल रिमेनिंग पार्ट में बनने वाले एंगल का 2 टाइम्स होता है. तो यहाँ पे आप लिख सकते हैं बाय थ्योरम 10.8 और यू कैन राइट द फुल स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द थ्योरम, राइट? सो एंगल POR is twice of PQR and PQR is 100 degree. So angle POR is 200. Angle POR is 200. So what about angle ROP? Angle ROP. Can you tell me the value of ROP? This is an complete angle. The complete angle is of 36 degree और उसमें से नीचे वाला आ गया 200 तो ऊपर वाला कितना होगा? This is 360 minus 200. So angle POR plus angle ROP is equal to 360 degree. Angle POR, this is 200 degree plus angle ROP is equal to how much? 360 degree. So angle ROP is equal to 360 degree minus 200 degree. Angle ROP is equal to 160 degree. Now in triangle POR, in triangle POR we have this triangle POR, right? OP is equal to OR as both are the radii of the same circle. OP भी सर्कल की रेडियस है, OR भी सर्कल की रेडियस है, तो दोनों इक्वल होगी. सो फ्रॉम दिस वी कैन से एंगल P इज इक्वल टू एंगल R. जब किसी भी ट्राइंगल की 2 साइड इक्वल हो जाती हैं तो उसके अपोजिट एंगल भी इक्वल होते हैं. दिस इज x and this is also x because both are equal, right? Now by the angle sum property, this angle is 160 degree. By the angle sum property, the sum of 3 angles is 180 degree. So angle x plus angle x plus 160 is equal to 180 degree, right? So x plus x, 2x is equal to 180, 160 उधर जाके हो जाएगा माइनस का. So 2x is equal to 20 degree and x is equal to 20 by 2 means 10 degree, and this x is angle OPR. So angle OPR is equal to 10 degree, and this is our answer. Fourth question of exercise is, in the given figure angle ACB is 69 degree, angle ABC, this angle is 69 degree, and angle ACB is 31 degree. Angle ACB is 31 degree. We have to find angle BDC. We have to find this angle BDC, right? Come to the solution. We have given that angle ABC is equal to 69 degree and angle ACB is equal to 31 degree. To solve this question, first of all I erase this one. Now you can properly see ABC is a triangle in which we have given two angles. By angle sum property we can find angle A, right? So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. So right here, in triangle ABC, or you can write by angle sum property of a triangle, angle A plus angle B plus C is equal to 180 degree, and we have angle B. Angle B is 69 degree, right? Angle C is 31 degree and this is 180 degree, right? So angle A is equal to angle A plus 69 plus 31. If you add both, you will get 100, right? 1 plus 9 10, 3 plus 9 10, 3 plus 6 9 plus 1 10, right? 100. So angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degrees. So angle A is equal to 80 degree, right? So we can write here angle BAC is equal to 80 degree. Angle BAC is equal to 80 degree. तो A angle BAC angle का ही तो नाम है, right? Now erase this and join this. You can see angle D and angle A, but both angle are of same segment, right? Angle A, angle D are both of same segment, right? You can see angle A and angle D are of both in same segment, or both angle are subtended by BC arc, right? And we know that from theorem 10.9 the angle of same segment are equal. So angle BAC is equal to angle BDC, and angle BAC is 80 degree. So angle BDC is also 80 degree. So angle BDC is equal to 80 degree, and this is our final answer.